Hey guys, this is Sanjay from FTC Team 7477, Super 7. Today, I'm going to be talking about one of the most least known features in Java, which would be phantom references. Essentially, phantom references let your program detect when the garbage collector is about to reclaim an object, but not access it. It's essentially used for advanced memory tracking, native resource cleanup, and even the internal systems of the Java virtual machine. So in Java, we usually deal with normal strong references, right? And some people even know about soft or weak references. But phantom references are completely different. Essentially, they're used when you need to know exactly when an object is no longer reachable, so you can free up resources outside the heap, like off-heap memory, files, or native pointers. A phantom references a phantom reference always returns null when you try to access it. Its entire purpose is to send a signal for a reference queue. Now let's get to coding. So the two libraries we're going to import today are phantom references and phantom reference and reference queue. So let's do that. Give me a second. Alright. So next we would do reference queue. Now let's start. Class main. Sorry. Public class main, since our file name must match with our actual program name. I'll explain the use of all the variables and such after I finish programming it. Using our built-in shortcut for IntelliJ, in this one we're essentially just turning our ID into a string for future use, so we can effectively manipulate. Sorry. Now let's do our main method. Public static void main string args. This time we're going to use something different in our main method, throws exception. If you don't remember about exceptions, you can refer to the previous video on it, which goes pretty in depth into how it's used. Now let's set up a reference queue. supposed to be O, sorry. Q. And built-in shortcut. The purpose of this line is to remove the already existing strong reference. Sorry. So essentially the purpose of this whole program here, there are some errors which I'll have to correct because I probably did something wrong with this part. Definitely. Okay. So essentially the program attempts to create a phantom reference. It removes the strong reference by this line here. And then waits for the garbage collection, which is done by the use of the waiting function and also these conditionals over here. When the object's about to be reclaimed, it's added to the reference queue. So essentially that's how phantom references work. It's one of the lowest level garbage collection hooks that Java exposes. If you're working with native memory or high performance systems, it's a really powerful tool that most developers don't even know that it exists. Thank you guys for watching this Super 7 programming video, and see you next time.